To get dynamic island notifications in Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, we'll need to open the Google Play Store on our device. Next step is to click on the search right here, and then we need to type in dynamic island. Now select this specific app. Make sure to pick that one if you want to have the same options. Now I've already downloaded the app. If you haven't, then just click on the download button, wait until it's loaded, and then click on open. After a moment here, we'll be able to perform the setup. You need to pick a language that you want to use. Here you need to move through the introduction. Make sure to allow any permissions, and then you can activate dynamic island notifications, and then again accept all of the permissions. So here we need to go to accessibility and find the installed apps, and then enable dynamic notch right here. Next thing is notifications. After that we have calls. Then there's battery optimization. And finally, we're all set. That way you'll be able to see your dynamic notch bar on the top right here. And now if you receive any notifications, they should arrive in the dynamic notifications like that. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.